Hello, and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how to add default notes. By the way, just a heads up from Wix, if you add or edit these default notes, your new notes will only appear on invoices and price quotes issued after you've made these changes. Updates will not be applied to past invoices or price quotes retroactively. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Settings. Under the Finance and Payments section, go to Getting Paid. For invoices, make sure to go to the Invoices tab, scroll down to the Footer Notes section, and click the arrow button that corresponds to it. Here, you'll have the option to leave notes or terms for your customers that will appear at the bottom of each invoice. Simply click on Edit, input your note here, and click on Edit for Terms to input your terms here. Don't forget to click on Done and Save to save your changes. Now for price quotes, go to the Price Quotes tab. Scroll to the bottom and simply input your price quotes note over here. And once you're done, review it. And to save it, just click anywhere outside of this box and the changes will automatically be saved. And that's it. That's how you add notes to your invoice and to your price quotes in Wix. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.